In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PlayStation gift card by email. If you want a fast, hassle-free way to gift games or subscriptions, a digital PlayStation gift card is the way to go. The whole process happens online, and the voucher arrives by email, so there's no waiting for the mail or dealing with physical cards. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by choosing a reputable online retailer that sells PlayStation Store gift cards. Many official and well-known stores offer digital delivery. Before you add anything to your cart, double-check one crucial detail: region. PlayStation gift cards are usually region-locked, which means the card must match the country or region of the recipient's PlayStation account. If their account is set to a different region than yours, pick a card for their region to avoid redemption issues. Next, select the amount you want to gift. Think about what the recipient might want to buy, whether it's a full game, add-ons, a subscription, or in-game content, so the amount feels useful right away. Many retailers show common denominations, but some let you enter a custom value. If the retailer offers a custom message option, add a short note. Keep it simple and friendly, and avoid including any sensitive information. This message will often appear alongside the digital code in the delivery email. Proceed to payment and complete the checkout. Before you confirm, review the order summary to ensure the region, amount, and email delivery details are correct. This is a good moment to verify the recipient's region one more time, as it's the most common cause of redemption problems. After payment, watch your inbox. The retailer will send the digital voucher code by email. Delivery can be nearly instant, but depending on the store and fraud checks, it might take a bit longer. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Some retailers also let you send the code directly to the recipient's email during checkout. Otherwise, you can simply forward the email or copy the code into your own message and send it yourself. Once the recipient has the code, they can redeem it on their PlayStation account and spend the funds on games, add-ons, subscriptions, or in-game items. Keep your receipt in case you need support and never share the code publicly. That's all there is to it. Quick, secure, and perfect for any occasion.